to my channel Sirisha Naga. So today here I am with a small activity based on self-awareness. So this activity will make you understand in knowing about yourself and also the people around you. So how much they know you, you'll understand after playing this game. So this is a very interesting game and interactive as well. So these days we are having these online classes wherein children, the students, it has become like sluggish in the classes. So to break this monotony, we can use this as an icebreaker and ask them to know about themselves. So this activity is a very good one wherein I call this as a pacer chips activity. Yes, you heard it right. It's not potato chips, it's pacer chips. These pacer chips will make you race and make you a winner in your life. So let's get started with this pacer chips activity. So this pacer chips is an acronym. That means every letter has a meaning. Okay, so let me give you the acronym for this. Let me abbreviate it for you. P for proactive, A for attitude, C for committed, E for endurant, and R for reliable. So this is for pacer. Now what about chips? C for confident, H for honest, I for intelligent, P for positive, and S for socialite. So these are the 10 chips that we'll be focusing on. Once you play this game, believe me, you'll just enjoy it and you will know yourself much better. So let's get started. Okay, now let me talk about these 10 qualities in brief. We all know what proactive is. So proactive, you're taking a step forward and completing the tasks. Say suppose the deadline of my task is Tuesday, but I'm proactively completing it on Saturday itself. So what is the benefit of being proactive? So my point here in telling is, if you are proactive, you get one more chance. If I submit my task on Saturday, I get a chance to rectify the mistakes and again resubmit it on Tuesday. Correct? So this is proactive, which gives you one more chance. And coming to attitude. So there's a secret behind this word. Do you all know what it is? It's a very simple thing. If you start numbering the alphabet A to Z from 1 to 26, okay, if you code them, so it is kind of a secret code. If you code them, so A1, B2, C3, D4, so on, and in a similar manner, if you give the numbering to these letters accordingly and you sum it up, it sums up to 100. So attitude, the word sums up to 100 score. Having a good attitude will make you a better person, believe me. So always strive for getting 100% good attitude. And the third one, committed. C for committed. So committed is nothing but being committed is being focused. So it fetches you long-term goals. So this is committed. Okay. And endurant. Sustained results. It will give you sustained results and a very good success in life. You are going on you're having that commitment and then you're having that endurance to complete the tasks on time, then you are a very good person. So that is what endurant is. Coming to reliable, I can go with this proverb, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Am I right? So you have to be a reliable person. If someone approaches with their secret, always try to keep it, please. Okay? So that is reliable. Now we are done with the pacer, 5 qualities done. Let's go with the other 5 qualities. So coming to confident. So this is the best vitamin for success in life, believe me. So if you are confident, and mind you, not overconfident, but only confident. So there is a thin margin between confident and being overconfident. So it's better for us to stay with confident itself. Okay? And coming to honest. Of course, honesty is the best policy. So always try to be honest. Coming to intelligent. Now this talks about the mental fitness. This is the cure to all illnesses, you know. So always try to figure this out. Cure your illness. Coming to positive. I call this the mother of all qualities. Do you all agree with me? Isn't it? So being positive, being optimistic is very essential in life. But not over optimistic again. So there is a thin border again here. Okay, so this is positive. Coming to socialite. Now society is the best teacher. Do you all agree? Of course, society teaches us many things knowingly or unknowingly. Correct? So always we must strive hard to become a socialite. So talk to people around you, talk to people in your neighborhood, and always try to mingle with them. So try to become a social animal. Correct? So these are the 10 qualities, right? Now without any further delay, let me show you how to play this game. Yes, so Pacer Chips. So what do we do here? We take the heading, the acronym Pacer Chips, and we write the abbreviation here. Okay, so all 10 qualities or characteristics are mentioned here, and you have 2 columns. You can go with any number of columns depending on your family size or your friend size, whatever it is. How many ever responses do you want to collect? It's up to you, but 2 is mandatory. Okay, so what you do is you give yourself score on 10. So every quality gets marks from you, about you, over 10. So over 10, how many marks do you give yourself for proactive and so on? And you also collect the score from the family or your friends on 10 again. So why is this score needed? Any guesses? So once you do this, you gather the score and you compare the scores. You compare your self score with the score that is given by your family members. Okay, so it can go on to any number of columns as I told you, but 2 columns are mandatory because you need a comparison there. So depending on this score, if you are scoring less than 60%, you need to put a lot of effort. Please believe me, that is for sure. If you are ranging between 70 to 90, yes, then you are a good person. If the score is ranging from 80 to 90, you are a very nice person. If the score is ranging above 95 or 90 to 95 and above, then you are an excellent person, believe me. But this scoring has to be done n number of times to get a proper score. I want you all to judge yourself. Okay, don't be liberal, be harsh in judging yourself, and then you will get the correct score of what a kind of person you are. Okay, so this is the Pacer Chips activity. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Sirisha Naga. See you with another video. Until then, stay home, stay safe and save lives. Bye bye.